Hi guys, if you've been out to the shops at all this week, you'll see that pumpkins are everywhere. But there's so many things you could do with them. For example, they make a great soup. So that's what we're going to do today. It's a pumpkin and toasted sweet corn soup. This is what you'll need. 700 grams of pumpkin, 570 grams of sweet corn from a tin, 25 grams of butter times 2, an onion chopped, 275 ml of milk, 725 ml of vegetable stock and salt and pepper. Start by melting the butter in a large saucepan and then add the onion and cook for about 8 minutes until the onion has softened. Then add the pumpkin and half of the sweet corn and give everything a stir. Put the lid on and cook on a low heat for about 10 minutes. Next, pour in the stock and the milk and give it a stir. Put the lid on with a little gap in it and simmer for about 20 minutes. Now while that's cooking, preheat the grill. Then melt the extra butter, I melted mine in the microwave, and then add it to the rest of the sweet corn and mix it all together and then spread it out on the baking tray. And then put it under the grill to toast until it's nice and golden. That'll take about 8 minutes. When the soup's ready, either pour it into a food processor or a blender, or you can use a hand blender like I am. The soup is now ready to serve, so pour into bowls and sprinkle the toasted sweet corn on top. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.